Hello, friends. Welcome to our Sanskrit podcast channel. And in this series, we are going to learn about important tips regarding grammar, pronunciation, mantras, shlokas, everything which is important and related to learning Sanskrit. So, this is our first episode, first podcast, and today we are going to learn about pronouns, the pronouns in Sanskrit. So, you might be aware that in Sanskrit we have three genders and three persons. So, like English, we have first person, second person, and third person. But in gender, we have singular, dual, and plural in terms of number actually. And in gender, we have masculine, feminine, and neutral gender. So we have three persons, three genders, and in the terms of number, we have three, unlike English where we just have singular and plural. Now, first of all, let's talk about first person. So the first person singular in the nominative case, which is I in English, in Sanskrit it is called aham. In dual, like if you want to say two of us, it will be avam. When we say we, or when we say three or more of us, kind of, that would be vayam. Aham, avam, vayam. I, two of us, and three or more of us. Now, talking to second person, here actually we have two things. Like in Hindi we have tum, aap, tu, but in Sanskrit in general we have two second person. One is actually used for people who are of our age or whom we know very well. Those are those people we can simply say tvam, which is you, informal. But when you want to give respect to someone or someone who is an elder people, and someone who really deserve respect, His Excellencies and head of states, etc., those people will be called bhavan in masculine and bhavati in the feminine. Now, so tvam is second person singular in the nominative case. Yuvam, second person dual in the nominative case, and yuyam, second person plural in the nominative case. So, just to review, tvam, yuvam, yuyam, you, two of you, and three or more of you. Now, let's talk about third person. Now, in terms of third person, we have gender, for example, masculine, feminine, and neutral. Because in the first person, which is I, so it doesn't change when we say I for masculine, feminine in terms of first person. Same goes with the second person. In the informal, which I was saying tvam, it doesn't change, right? So if we say masculine, third person singular in the nominative case, it would be saha or he. So he is saha. Tau is third person masculine in the nominative case, dual. Tau. Te, masculine third person plural. So let's review. Saha, tau, te. Now in the feminine third person singular feminine would be sa. Third person feminine dual would be te. Feminine third person in the plural would be tah. Sa, te, tah. Just to review, what was it in masculine? Sah, tau, te. Second person was tvam, yuvam, yuyam. And the first person was aham, avam, vayam. Now the last one is the neutral gender. Third person nominative singular tat, dual te, plural tani, tat, te, tani. So this was something which I wanted to tell you, which I wanted to teach you. And thank you so much. And soon we will upload the next episode. Have a nice day. Thank you.